Hey everyone, Mario with Shure here. I get asked a lot about wanting to start my own Twitch or YouTube channel, and what are some key aspects that we should keep in mind. And it all starts with audio. So I'm going to share with you 3 things that you should consider on your journey to becoming the next Twitch or YouTube sensation. Let's check it out. So the first step is connection. How are you going to connect your microphone to your rig? Are you going to be using an XLR connection or USB? Now, they each have their own benefits. For example, an XLR connection will require an interface where you can configure the audio directly on the interface. USB mics often come with a built-in software package where you can use that to configure audio. Or you can get a microphone that has the best of both worlds, both USB and XLR. The second aspect is what type of microphone will you be using? Will you be using a condenser microphone? Or how about a dynamic microphone? Now, both are great. It just depends on where you're going to be doing your stream. So, for example, condenser microphones are commonly found in recording studios because they are designed to pick up more detail in sound. They require what we call phantom power that sends an electric charge into the microphone to activate all of the circuitry inside, and they generally come across as more sensitive. A dynamic microphone you'll find in live performances. They do not require phantom power and are less sensitive than condensers. Me personally, I use a dynamic microphone, my MV7, because I'm doing my streams here in my office or in a bedroom, and I don't have the luxury of acoustically treated walls. However, if I did, I would definitely consider using a condenser microphone. The third aspect doesn't have to do with audio at all. It has to do with you. At Shure, we work with amazing artists, streamers, YouTubers, content creators, and gamers, and they all say the same thing. Do and play what you love. So there you go. 3 easy ways to get you on your way to becoming the next Twitch or YouTube star. Thanks for joining me. Once again, I'm Mario, and I hope all of you guys have a great day. Bye.